Two-in-one computers have been enhanced to include exciting new technologies that allow us to rethink application interface design. From multi-touch to location detection to device motion, new capabilities allow us to create user experiences that push the boundaries of what's possible on today's computing environments. Let's take a look at some of the things that we can do to reshape application design using these new technologies. For starters, there's multi-touch. Multi-touch turns the entire screen into an interactive surface, so we can use our hands and fingers to manipulate information directly on screen. Location detection allows us to precisely find a device and thereby its owner and deliver not only location-based information, but other things that are relevant based on where someone or their device happens to be. Just these two factors together give us an opportunity to really rethink a conventional interface. From the small-sized cursor-based controls and little targets within a standard application, and the painful input for location, we can transform all of these controls for touch and location input. For example, large touch targets designed for our fingers, gesture-based controls that allow us to flick, pinch, zoom, and gesture through a number of controls, and location detection that happens behind the scenes without any input. All these things together allow us to create a more fluid, seamless, and interactive experience. But the capabilities in two-in-one computers don't end with multi-touch and location detection. We also have device motion. With device motion, we can not only tell when a screen is detached from its dock, but also when it's pivoted into landscape or portrait mode, or when it's moved in the hand left and right. This sort of natural pivoting allows us to have a different form of input. So if we'd like to pan and zoom this map, we simply have to pivot the screen in the direction we want the map to go, and we can make our way through a lot of information. Once unhinged, a two-in-one doesn't have to act on its own. In fact, a number of interesting use cases come up when two devices are used together. Consider using the screen as a control for a much larger screen behind it. So let's take a look at that map again, but this time on the big display on our wall. So I'll call up the map and actually start to take a look at some information displayed on it. Of course, we're not limited to maps. We can bring up more conventional interfaces like slideshows on a large wall-sized TV interface. As you can see, two-in-one computers offer us a wide range of new technologies on which to build exciting user experiences. From multi-touch to location detection to device motion and more, we now have the opportunity to rethink conventional application interfaces and create a new level of immersive software that allows people to get the things they care about done.